So let's get started. So again we start with a new post and here enter your post title. Then click on this plus button to add a block and select image from it. Then click on options and from the list select add to reusable blocks. From here we can upload image. On top we have untitled reusable block, copy and option buttons to add more options. From right we can give it a name. Let's insert default image as a name. So it is updated. Now again click on options and select add to reusable blocks. Here we can see reusable block and upload button to upload images. From these 6 dots, you can drag and drop it to change its position. On right we have its definition which says, create and save content to reuse across your site. Update the block and the changes apply everywhere it's used. Now again click on this plus button and this time add gallery from blocks. Again go to options and select add to reusable blocks. You can scroll from these up and down arrows to see more blocks. Now it also becomes the reusable block. So we are on our WordPress dashboard and here we have all the options like posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings. Inside we have general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, privacy. So from here you can customize site settings in WordPress. From your WordPress dashboard, go to settings and select general. Here you need to enter your site title, tagline for this, in a few words, explain what this site is about. Then WordPress address URL, site address URL, administration email address, membership. Check this box or not to allow registration. Next is new user default role. From here you can select subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. Then select site language, your time zone, your date format, time format, select when your week starts on. You can also view documentation on date and time formatting and finally save changes. So this is how you can do your site setting in WordPress. From your WordPress dashboard, go to settings and select writing. Here select your default post category, default post format, default editor for all users. Classic editor or block editor, allow users to switch editors. Yes or no. Then post via email, mail server, login name, password, default mail category, then update services, that is when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update services. For more updates about this, you can see update services from here. Once done, click on Save Changes. So this is all about writing settings. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 21. Reading Settings. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the reading settings, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.